In this video, I'm going to show you how you can direct message to multiple users in Slack. So if you want to send a direct message to specific number of people, it is pretty simple. Instead of sending one by one, you can send once to all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to your Slack workspace, and then once you're here, go to direct message, which is this, and click on plus. Now if you click on plus, you will have an option to add all the users that you want to send or to direct message. So for my case, I only want to send to 2. I'll go ahead and enter their name. So this is the first one and the second one. I only want to send the direct message to these 2. Now go ahead and compose the message. So I'd like to go ahead and request them to submit their assignments. So I'll send, and now this message will only go to the 2, and you can see they are highlighted here. And you can also see here the total number of people you have sent with their names. Now each and every time you just want to send a direct message to only these 2, just come to this direct message again with their names and then compose your message, and it will be sent to only these 2. So that's how you can direct message multiple people or specific people in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.